If you are believing some myths, you will not be able to learn English. The myths are: many people believe that learning English is difficult, but often the biggest obstacle is not the language, it is the myth surrounding it. One common myth is that you must speak English with a foreign accent to sound more professional. But it is not reality, it's a myth. While in reality, clear communication matters more than accent. Another myth is that only the students can learn English effectively. This is another myth which is believed by the most of the people, that only the students can learn English effectively. But this is not true. This is a myth. Even you can see that, however, people of every age can learn English, improve their English by regular practice and consistent practice. And consistency is there in their learning. Even then, people from any age can learn English language. However, people are learning language, but they are believing that they are believing some myths, so that they are not able to learn English language. Some people believe that grammar must become perfect before speaking English. But language grows through the communication, mistakes, and continuous learning. Other thing, English means memorizing thousands of words, while true fluency comes from understanding and using language in daily life. So that's what we can say, that there are so many myths in learning English language, but you can't say that by these myths you cannot be able to learn English. Many also believe that becoming fluent happens if you learn a lot of words, if you mug up a lot of words from the dictionary. It is not like that. If you are continuous and consistent in practice, then your consistency will make you be able to speak in English language. Learning English is not about being perfect, it is about becoming confident. English learning is not about being perfect, it is about becoming confident, expressive, and capable of connecting with more opportunities in today's world. Today's world is AI world, and it is a fast growing economy world. So if you want to improve your standard of living, your way of living, and then you will be able to communicate in English language. If you want to improve your business, if you want to improve your personality, then you need to learn English language. Stop believing myths. Stop believing myths. Start believing in your ability to learn. So these are some myths that if you want to more professional, then you must have accent. It is a myth. And another myth is only student can learn effectively. And another myth is you must know about the grammar rules. It is not like that. So come out of these myths, right? And stop believing these myths. Start believing in your ability to learn a language. This is a language which will enhance your personality, which will boost your communication skills, and you will be able to put your ideas before others more effectively if you can communicate in English language. In this AI era, English is very much important if you want to use AI effectively, then you must have knowledge of English language, because you need to write or you need to give the prompts to the AI tools or AI application which you are using. And if you want to improve your business, if you want to improve your job skills, even then you need to present yourself, you need to present your abilities or your presentations, then you must have English communication skills.